I took a little toot on a 16 Tiger 800 XCA this morning. That's your first time on a Tiger, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
It is. We'll get the gear off so you can hear. We're in a little Scorpion AT950. And obviously like the motorcycle personally myself. But Rachel here,
Goodness.
as I can oh, there she is.
Hi, sorry.
So how did you like the Tiger 800 XCA as a passenger or a pillion?
It was good. The seat was warm. I like the flat bench.
Power?
Good. When you shifted, it wasn't like a hard slam in the back of you. It felt smoother. So.
Yeah, this transmission's better smooth than a Triumph motorcycle. How about the fact I didn't tell you, but we're riding out Kenda big blocks right now. And I didn't tell her, I just wanted to ride and get into some feedback. Is there a more aggressive tire? Did you feel a more aggressive ride or a bumpier ride or noisier ride or anything about that?
No.
So you couldn't even tell?
No.
From all the bikes that we ride on all different types of tires that you're on off-road knobbies.
Right.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So that's a testament. We went out yesterday and I had an awesome 200-mile ride on-road and off-road on this bike, and I felt that the Kenda's hooked up a lot stronger and tighter, and some of the slop that I was getting, I think it's the smaller blocks, a little center groove that I'm not getting on the Continental TKC80, so I felt more confident in really slippery slop. Plus, we were very confident in the corners, keeping up with all the guys on other 80/20 tires, Torances, and things of that nature. We got the power. We were having fun letting it eat, letting that ass in, slip out, steering with the rear in the dirt, and I didn't get cold at all. I wore a moisture wicking base layer, a MotoDotMen t-shirt, a pair of socks, and I had my Scorpion Yukon top bottom, Tempest gloves, AT950 helmet. That's all I wore all day yesterday on January, was yesterday the 6th, which was cold. Good, nice chilly day, as you'll see from the pictures. Awesome gear, awesome tires, fantastic motorcycle. So thanks for letting us tell you a little bit about our weekend and the gear that we rock out every day here with MotoDotMen. Thank you for watching Frontline Eurosports Online. Have a beautiful day.